So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a cousin's meet day, right? So this is my cousin and I just loitering around in Ukhrul. The weather is not so great, however, she would like to trim her hair in layers cut, I guess. So we're here, I'm waiting for her. Yep, and we're waiting for our turn. That's her. Alright, she did her hair, and after this we are going to Vishal Mall, first time in Ukhrul, and after which we'll be going to the restaurant to eat some food.
From đó nè. Anh không anh nông mấy phường lạ. Cái xin là đục hết à đi. Cái xin là đi đục hết à. Đi là bảo.
Alright, people, where I am right now, I'm in a vishall Ukhrul, which is like the first time in Ukhrul, and I'm excited to just check it around. I don't know what am I supposed to take it today, but it's first time, so I would like to check it out. It's kind of interesting. I am, and also with my cousin. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good section. Trial room, okay. This is the trial room. Yep.
Được 보여? 생각하면 파메는 예, 뭐래. Looking for shampoo. Sim thêm này shampoo đi lấy lại. À, hi bác ba lấy rồi. Okay. We're going that way. Okay. Where is it? We just came out from the vishall and it's like we bought some stuff. It's just around 1,500 something like that, but it's kind of cool. Like we bought like something very, very important stuff. She looks so really that's my cousin. Say hi. Hi. Okay. Yeah, rain stops. Coffee, yeah. Normal mini. Okay, we're gonna drink some sugar cane. Look at that. It's on the street. Thì cái bà chỉ nằm yon dịch lên. Đây là cái này. Đi rồi chẳng chạy. Okay. Oh, that's how they operate. Oh wow, that's cool. Here, here. 그러게요. 제래.
저 나이가 있는 미가해.
Okay, what are you gonna drink? What is this? Which one?
Black tea.
Black tea. Okay, no more green tea, right? Okay, so that's paneer chili, and we order some more. So currently, where are we now? Can you please undercrop? Yeah, undercrop. We're in an undercrop right now. Just cousin meets, right? More food to come. Right. So we're in undercrop, as you can see here, and we order more food. It's coming. There you go. With my cousin. There she is. Bamboo shoot, right? With mushroom as well, yeah. And that's the
Chili paneer,
and
this is
that's
chicken kebab.
Wow, that's good. Okay. Good? Damn. Okay, we're gonna have it. I think that's it. What else? Do you have more? This is chicken cheers. Whoa. So good. Like we had a great time, absolutely. Just the two of us, no other customers. As you can see, just eat. It's really great. That's chicken kebab. Okay, we got fresh as well. This looks so fresh. Alright, we're here in Shim's Cafe, second round. It's nice place. Yep.
Oh,
Yes. That's our cousin O. Friends forever, yeah. We're gonna drink wine. That homemade wine, local wine. It's tekante, yeah. I don't know what do we call it in English, just tekante, but yeah, we'll show you later. Ooh, excited. Okay, it's a tekante, the local wine. Cheers. So we actually went to drink coffee, but then at the end we just saw this wine, local wine, and then we already drink this instead of coffee. That's funny though. And apparently this coffee shop is really cool, calm, the ambience is really nice, great ambience I mean. And unfortunately or fortunately we are the last customer, so we would really had a great time. It was so nice.